Hi, it's Elder, and in this video we are going to talk about content marketing. We can talk about optimizing our website all day long using 100 methods, but let's be honest, the most important part of having a great performing website is valuable content. It doesn't matter how good search engine optimization our website has if we don't give the valuable, engaging and interesting content to our visitors. So let me tell you a little secret. Well, it's not a secret, actually, it's well-known fact that content marketing is still one of the best ways to market your website and improve your search engine optimization. Creating interesting, valuable and engaging content on the topic related to your website topic will always drive more traffic to your website, will keep visitors to your website longer and will help you ultimately convert these occasional visitors into your loyal customers or even just the frequent visitors, which is also very important. And it's always important to have the fresh content on your website periodically updated, and having a blog will contribute a lot to this cause. So if you don't have a blog yet, make sure that you add the blog section to your website and start producing the quality content when you have time. And my recommendation is to concentrate on quality over quantity. There's one exception being is when you start, because when you start, making something over and over again will help you improve faster. But well, if you need to choose between the quality and quantity, I will always go for quality, because having the quality content will drive more traffic to you and give your website more authority. So once again, if you don't have a blog on your website, yesterday was the best day to start blogging. So make sure that you start your blog as soon as possible and try to create as many quality content as you can and keep your blog updated, always fresh, because well, if it is just a blog page which you never update, of course it won't do any good. I actually have a few videos on blogging without CMS in Blocs and in Mastering Blogs free course, so if you haven't already, go watch these videos. They will provide you a couple of helpful tips for your blogging experience, these blogs. So that's it for this video, and I will talk to you in the next one.